Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access privacy. Then click on App Permissions and tap on one of your device's features, like location. Finally, just click on one of your apps that you wish to manage, like Chrome, and apply the best option for you. Location access for this app. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the last option, so when I click, in this case, I need to choose Don't Allow Anyway in the pop-up. Then go back. So when I do that, as you can see, Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. But you can always select any feature, then look for an app that you are interested in and click on it. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!